Welcome to this tutorial on how to install C++ in Visual Studio Code, a free open source code editor. To begin, open Visual Studio Code and go to Extensions. Search for C++ and press Install on the official Microsoft Publisher version. Before proceeding, let's check if any compilers are already installed on your machine using the commands g++ --version and clang --version. If neither of these are installed, we will need to install the MSys2 by heading to their website and downloading their latest installer. Make sure to select the correct architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, based on your system architecture. Once the installation is complete, select Run MSys2 Now to install additional tools. To install the compilers and tools in the UCRT64 environment, run the commands given in the website. Once done, you can verify the G++ compiler version using the command g++ --version. Now, we will run the second command given in the Visual Studio Code website, which will install the base development tools and toolchain. The second command ensures that only packages that are not already installed to be installed. Next, let's add the min.gw compiler to our system path. Go to Start menu, search for Edit Environment Variables, and select it. Under the System Variables, find Path, click Edit, then click New, and paste the location of the bin folder of the min.gw where you had installed it. Usually C, MSys64, min.gw64, and then bin folder. Click on OK to save the changes. To verify that the compiler is installed and available to other softwares, open a command prompt and type g++ --version. If you get the version back, you have successfully installed the compiler. Open a Visual Studio Code and create a new C++ file by selecting File, New File from the menu. Write your C++ code in the new file and save it with a .cpp file extension. Open the integrated terminal in the Visual Studio Code by selecting Terminal, New Terminal from the menu. In the terminal, navigate to the directory where you have saved your C++ file using the cd command. Compile the C++ code using the appropriate compiler command. For example, we have installed min.gw compiler, so use the command g++ filename.cpp-o output.exe to compile your code and create an executable file. Once the compilation is successful, you can run the C++ program by typing .output.exe in the terminal and pressing enter. The output of the program will be displayed in the terminal window. That's it. You have successfully installed C++ in Visual Studio Code and run a Hello World program. Happy coding!